Meaning of Decca.
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 Decca. Decca is a term that has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a record label founded in the UK in the 1920s, which produced music by artists such as the Rolling Stones and David Bowie. In aviation, it can mean a navigational system used for determining the position of an aircraft. Decca can also be a nickname or surname for someone with origins in the Indian subcontinent. Overall, the meaning of Decca varies depending on the specific field or context in which it is used.